Talk to you guys all about this car charger. All right, so just got it in and figured I would do an unboxing and a review with you guys. So this is going to be nice to be able to use for your car. So let's show you guys all the things you get. One of the things that makes it nice is it does come with this magnetic piece. So let's say your phone or your case, I should say, does not have maybe the magnetic ring on there, and you want to make sure you get that strong magnetic pull to it. You're going to be able to put this on. You can see it just has that sticky piece, so this is just going to go right there. And then this is the piece that's going to be able to go right to your phone. And so this is going to be a car holder and also a car charger, which is going to be even better. So there's going to be two different ways to mount it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this piece connected. So this is going to be the charging piece, and so it just goes type C to type C, and then this is going to plug in via USB, and then you have two ways to be able to put it up. So this is one way, which is going to be great for maybe your dash, and it's nice too because this bends, so that way you're really going to be able to kind of put it maybe somewhere, like if it's not completely flat, you're going to be able to kind of bend it, and it just has that 3M sticker on the back. And then you also have this one, and this is what's gonna go through the vent. So you can see it just has that little lip right there. And so all you do is you just tighten this part up. And as you can see, it's getting closer and closer to be able to have really that nice tight pull. And then you can see both of them have that ball there, to where all you gotta do is just attach it like this. All right, so attach the ball on there, and you can see you got to use a little bit of force, so it's going to stay in there really good, and then that's going to go right there, and then you're going to be able to turn your phone however you would like. So before I go and get it on in my car, I did want to show you guys just the hold that this has. So again, my phone case does have that metal magnetic piece in there, but if I didn't, I'd be able to kind of attach that right there, and so it holds on there, and you guys check it out. So it's gonna hold on there, so that way if you're going over bumps, anything like that, it's gonna be good. And again, you're gonna be able to turn it really however you would like. So let's go ahead and get in my car. The other thing that it comes with is gonna be this nice guide, which is gonna really help you be able to make sure that you're putting this sticky piece right where it needs to go. So in the car, so next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and plug in this via USB, so that way it's going to be able to start charging, okay? And then also you can see there's a light up there, so now check it out. So now that it's charging, you can see the light went blue, and you can also tell that it's charging on my phone. All right, so let's loosen this back up here to be able to get it. The other thing too, it does have some nice pads in here. That way you don't have to worry about it like damaging your vent, okay? So let's get it kind of opened up some. There we go. And now you're going to be able to tighten it up. All right, so there we have it, nice and tight. Going to be able to, there you go, have that magnetic hold, and now it's charging. And again, you guys, it's on there nice and good. I'm going to be able to turn it kind of to the side. I can really have it whichever way I want. And you guys, it's on there pretty well. And so thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys are in need of a car holder plus also charger, again, there's going to be the two different ways you can always like attach it with the 3M sticker or go right through the vent like I did.